we are given x square minus 3x minus 6. We write this as x square plus 2x plus 4 minus 5x minus 10, which becomes 1 minus 5 upon x square. Okay, now looking at the options, we need to find the intervals in which it increases or decreases, so we'll differentiate it. So we get f prime x to 5 upon 4, sorry, minus 5 upon plus which becomes this gets cancelled, this becomes 4x, this gets cancelled, which gives us f prime x as x into x plus 4 square. So in the interval -2 to -1, f prime x is less than 0, so function is decreasing. In the interval 1 to 2, it's increasing. F is from R to R, and is it on to? No, because its minimum value will be attained at 0. So its graph would be something like this. It would be, as x tends to infinity, this will go to 1, and at 0 it's something like this. After 0 it increases, and then it again goes to 1, something like this. What would be bounded above by? No, it won't be bounded above by 1, but as x goes to infinity, it will become asymptotic to 1 again. Maybe something like this. No, it's decreasing here till 0. It increases till -4, and from -4 it decreases to 0, and then it increases again. So this is something like this graph. So anyways, yeah, there is a minimum at 0, so it's not on to, and the range will be f0 to f of -4. f0 is, we already have a and b. f0 is -3 by 2. f -4 would be 16 plus 12 minus 6 upon 16 minus, which is 22 by 12, which is not 2. So D option is incorrect. So answer is A and B.